Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this quick and easy Madhubani painting. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. Okay guys, so this is the bag in which I will be painting today. So first I will mark the area, and then for base color I will using white acrylic paint. So before starting my painting, I will using this pencil to draw a rough sketch. So my sketching is done. So now I will using yellow color to paint my elements. Now I am mixing white and red color to paint the flowers. So for the background I am mixing blue and white and apply the color throughout the background. So now I am focusing on the detailing of the flower. One thing I just want to tell is that it's my personal choice to paint on this bag, because I think we all have this kind of bags in our homes. So instead of buying a new one, I think we should try to customize these things. Using a green color, I just complete the flower stands. Once everything is done, I am using black color and just outline the elements so that it will look good. So here I am using blue color to define the background. So lastly, with white color I will highlight the areas where I want. For the border areas I will using a black acrylic color to draw a line, and then with a white acrylic paint I just putting some dots over it so that it will look good. So our painting is done. I hope you like this video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.